Hi everyone, it is July 26th and I am over here in the work area and coop spots, and I just thought I'd do an update on what really happened with the shallots and also the garlic. So where we left off, I had put the garlic on the racks drying, and I'll show you they're still here drying and all, and seem to be doing very well. And we still had the shallots up in the garden. As you recall, they were very, very small this year. We weren't sure if we were going to save them or not, but we decided to go ahead and give it a whirl. So today, I went ahead and I removed and pulled all the shallots out of the ground, and I'm going to also place them on these same racks next to the garlic. And the reason probably why they aren't doing as well this year as last year is we didn't get around to pulling the weeds off, and they had competition. It's also been dry, and we don't have a watering system up there at this time. So last year the heads were much bigger, which are easier to cut and process than this year. But at least we have some, and we'll see how they end up turning out. I'm going to go ahead and just turn the camera around so you can see that Hank the dog and I are here. He's whining because he wants to go out and play. But I'll show you what we're up to. Okay. All right, here's Hank. Look cute, Hank. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. You're going to come kiss the camera. So this is where we had left off before. This is all garlic here, and it's doing really well. And it's also all wrapped around on the full length of the other side. I'll put this little light on here so you can see a little better. So this is where we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 racks or shelves on the rack, and it goes all the way down over here. So we have a lot of garlic. Garlic looks good, so I'm thrilled about that. So we don't have as much shallots, which is kind of good because I'd run out of rack space. But we'll come back on this side. There's some of the garlic that we have. And I do have available 1, 2, 3 racks with 4 shelves on it. So I think I can get them all on here. And we'll let them dry out. We'll see how they are. We'll save the biggest heads to go ahead and plant this fall. And hopefully next year will be better. So this is what I pulled out. So there's actually 2 of these buckets. And this is like the bigger size one. Let's do this. I'll put my hand behind it so you can kind of get an idea, you know, with the palm about how big. But some of them are like really tiny, you know, just little guys. I mean, I can cook with them. That would be okay. And we'll give it a whirl. So I'm going to go ahead with Hank and place these all on the racks. And then that will be mission accomplished with the shallots. Take care, you guys. It's always good seeing you. And if you like it, give us a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed and you find it fun or useful, or, you know, just want to see what we're doing here, subscribe. Have a great day. Bye-bye.